Hey guys, episode 38 of the crypto portfolio series. Down 3,000 on the week. This doesn't really show the actual move. I can show you on the historical graph that Blockfolio do. It does seem to be a lot of midweek drops over the last couple of months. So the institutions trade during the week and tends to sort of drop and then sort of come back up towards the weekend again, and then sort of weekend action is a little bit choppy because the institutions aren't trading. But we come down to 293,000 during the week, and then sort of straight back up for the end of the week. Seemed fairly interesting, but obviously people during the week were saying sort of the world's ending and you just stay patient through it, and here we are again. Not too much news this week. Just saw sort of everything all during the week seem to be headlines about bans, whether Bitcoin's getting banned, whether all crypto would be getting banned. Sort of big economists like Ray Dalio, all sorts of people sort of potentially saying it's going to be banned. I can't see it. You've got 6 US listed Bitcoin ETFs being applied for now, and the decisions on those will be going through in the next few months. So I can't see that they're going to sort of do that and then ban it. Maybe other countries might ban it, but as long as plenty of people around the world have got it open, then should be fine. So Bitcoin down 1%, not really done too much during the week. Ethereum down slightly more, but still sort of barely moved really. Cardano basically hasn't moved at all. Had a little bit of up and down during the week, but nothing particularly much. Litecoin's down 5%, so it's not done too well. OMG barely moved. I mean, most of this stuff has barely moved really. I mean, it's only down, the whole portfolio is only down 1%, so it's not going to be a huge amount of movement. Basic attention token 3% up. It's not too bad. We'll be probably taking some off the table on that because I did sort of set some price targets on basic attention token to sell out at, and I think it's actually higher than all of them. So didn't really expect to get this much out of it, but we'll see. Stellar down 4%, sort of similar to Litecoin. Not doing too well at the moment, but see how they fare in the future. Power Ledger, one of the only ones sort of doing quite well. 26%. I mean, this is similar to basic attention token, really. I sort of didn't really expect it to get here. I was sort of planning on selling out at least some of this a little bit before now, so might sort of wait for the next sort of reasonable Bitcoin move up and see if this goes with it, and maybe take a reasonable amount off. Tron, 5% up, not too bad. Seems to be coming into its own slightly, but still lagging behind a lot of the others. Miles off the all-time high. XRP coming back still. No sort of particular news I've seen on the lawsuit, but seem to be sort of probably just losing a bit of bearishness rather than getting bullish. EOS just down slightly for the week, not really a big mover. Dash not doing too well, down 10-11%, so it's not too good. I haven't seen anything specific to cause that, just it's not the most liquid coin. And Dogecoin down 5%. And BitTorrent token, actually, this was one that I got as an airdrop for holding Tron. Never really sort of mention it because it was like £1, but it's now £25. So got that for free. It's quite nice. But we'll see. I think it's in the top 30 or 40 now by market cap. So I never sort of bought any in, so I don't have a great deal of it. I would have had a lot more. But yeah, we'll see how that moves. Maybe just cash it in and put it with the rest of the stock portfolio. So that's the update for the week. Just a brief update. No buys or sells this week. Probably expecting to maybe do something in a couple of weeks if we have a nice sort of run up. Probably waiting for sort of mid to late $60,000 Bitcoin to make another sale, or unless any of the altcoins sort of do a crazy move. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon.